Welcome to Quiz Hunters. In this video, we will learn about basic computer shortcut keys. You will get 5 seconds to answer 35 questions. If you love our video, you can subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. Question number 1. Shortcut key to select all. And the correct answer for this one is Control plus A. Next question. Shortcut key to open a file. And the correct answer is Control plus O. Next question. Shortcut key to move the cursor one screen up. And the correct answer is page up. Next question. Shortcut key to change text to bold. And the correct answer is Control plus B. Next question. Shortcut key to reopen the last choose tab. And the correct answer is Control plus Shift plus T. Next question. Shortcut key to change text to italics. And the correct answer is Control plus I. Next question. Shortcut key to redo last auction. And the correct answer is Control plus Y. Next question. Shortcut key to rename a selected file. And the correct answer is F2. Next question. Shortcut key to insert hyperlink. And the correct answer for this one is Control plus K. Next question. Shortcut key to paste. And the correct answer is Control plus V. Next question is shortcut key to save a file. And the correct answer is Control plus S. Next question. Shortcut key to move the cursor to the end of document. And the correct answer is Control plus End. Next question. Shortcut key to underline a text. And the correct answer for this one is Control plus U. Next question is shortcut key to print a document. And the correct answer is Control plus P. Next question. Shortcut key to do paste special. And the correct answer is Control plus Alt plus V. Next question. Shortcut key to permanently delete a file. And the correct answer for this one is Shift plus Delete. Next question. Shortcut key to open the File menu or File tab. And the correct answer for this one is Alt plus F. Next question. Shortcut to create a new or blank document. And the correct answer for this one is CTRL plus N. Next question, shortcut key to undo last action. And the correct answer is CTRL plus Z. Next question, shortcut key to move the end of the line. And the correct answer is end. Next question, shortcut key to delete the word to the right. And the correct answer is CTRL plus delete. Next question, shortcut key to maximize or restore the document window. And the correct answer is Ctrl plus F10. Next question, shortcut key to bookmark the current page. And the correct answer is CTRL plus D. Next question, shortcut key to switch between open tabs in a browser. And the correct answer for this one is CTRL plus tab. Next question, shortcut key to delete the selected file permanently. And the correct answer for this one is Shift plus delete. Next question, shortcut key to refresh the page or current window. And the correct answer for this one is F5. Next question, shortcut key to close the active window. And the correct answer for this one is CTRL plus W. Next question, shortcut key to center align the text. And the correct answer for this one is CTRL plus E. Next question, shortcut key to copy the text or image. And the correct answer for this one is Ctrl plus C. Next question, shortcut key to cut selected part of the text or image. And the correct answer for this one is Ctrl plus X. Next question, shortcut key to find. And the correct answer for this one is Ctrl plus F. Next question, shortcut key to open the help screen. And the correct answer for this one is F1. Next question, shortcut key to open the edit option. And the correct answer for this one is Alt plus E. Next question, shortcut key to return the cursor to the beginning of the line. And the correct answer for this one is Home. Next question, shortcut key to move the cursor one screen down. And the correct answer for this one is Page down. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this content and learned something new. If yes, you can support our channel as much as possible by liking, sharing this content to other people as well. Keep watching this content and enjoy other contents of us as well. Stay safe and enjoy.